Welcome back, Shop Rats. Today, I want to talk about gratefulness. Let's watch the show intro. We'll see you in about 30 seconds. I'm Mike, and this is My Car Shop.
Working out of a 100-year-old refurbished barn, bringing 35 years of experience to projects considered beyond repair. Vision, creativity, and problem solving are essential tools in this place. Watch as we transform junk into polished metal miracles. This is My Car's Shop.
Grateful, the word doesn't seem strong enough to describe how I feel. You guys blow my mind every day. The support, the encouragement, the defense, the things that you do, those of you who pony up cash, send regular donations, and those of you who send parts, and those of you who keep in contact via text message and email, and well, it's just incredible for a channel this minuscule to have this level of support and engagement and interaction, and I'm just blown away with all you guys and gals. I can't even begin to say how thankful I am. I feel like I've often said this about celebrities when they start waxing poetic about social issues or political issues or religious issues or whatever. There's one particular, I won't say who it is because I wouldn't want to call Paul Stanley out, but he was waxing on and on about something that had nothing to do with music, and all I said to him, even though he couldn't hear me because I was just talking to machines, was just shut up and sing, puppet boy. And that's kind of what I feel like here on the channel as well. Just a puppet boy. And so I'm singing. I'm doing what you guys want me to do by continuing to do the Talk About It Tuesdays. You guys give me just some amazing feedback, and can't say enough. You know, it's mind blown every single day. It really, doing the channel is not a burden for me. It's exciting. There's always something new, and even the episodes that I feel are going to be like laying a giant turd on the altar surprise me in the ways that they perform and the feedback that I get. And so I am doing this episode as a gratefulness to you for, just like I said, mind blown, how amazing and supportive you guys are. But I'm also doing it to talk about gratefulness. There is so much for us to P&M about in this world. So much for us to gripe and complain about, and a lot of it's legitimate, and I certainly do my fair share. But I think lately, I guess, just been thinking about what we've all come through in the last couple of years, and been taking stock. I mean, I've been doing a lot of griping lately about the economy and the world and the employment situation, the fact that I can't find employees, and yeah, there's legitimate bitch there. There's no doubt of that. But on the other hand, I'm not starving to death. I have a great place to live. I have a wonderful wife. I have amazing kids. I have an amazing rock band. I have amazing friends. I have amazing subscribers on the channel. I have an amazing garage full of projects that even 10 years ago I'm not sure I ever would have dreamed I would have. And there's a lot to be grateful for. And you guys have been really making a lot of that possible, making the projects possible, keeping me moving forward, offering encouragement, perspective, parts, as I've said. So there's a time and a place to have a good gripe session, and we're going to continue to do that. But let's kind of team together, and let's not be that stick in the mud. Let's not be that curmudgeon who has to complain about everything. let's build each other up and encourage each other, and yeah, we can offer constructive criticism, but let's make sure that it's constructive and not destructive. Let's not be asshats about it. Let's just continue to build this. I've seen it with you guys, this community. You do it with each other. You do it with me. That's the world I want to participate in, and I think all of y'all feel the same way. And yeah, so I guess I'm saying this because I'm preaching to myself about this as well, is let's be the people we want the world to be, and let's do that by starting here on the channel and the channels that we're involved with. And if you do your own channel, and yeah, like I said, there's a time, there's a place to complain. I'm not against that, but let's not be characterized by that. And once again, I'm just going to say thank you. Thank you for everything you are enabling and providing for me to be able to do this channel and do these projects, to share my DIY way of doing things, and things that you can learn from and things I can learn from you. Well, again, thank you. It's a quickie today. That's going to do it. Let's join us over on the Face thing. We can carry this discussion on over there. Of course, here on the channel, we can do it in the community tab. And of course, we're on the Instant Grandma thing over there as well. And it's all /MyCarShop. Be sure you subscribe, hit the bell so you receive those notifications. And if you want to see the channel grow, share it with your friends, share it with your enemies, share it in groups on Facebook, share it wherever you can, and let's get more people over here to continue building this amazing MKS community. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Whoa!